impressed. Walk in the strip, she gon' make it buzz. I do damage, and they can't stand it. Psycho bandit, like it's Marilyn Manson. Got the cash advancing, get the Sprite and enhance it. Pull the walk out the pantry, take a sip and I'm dancing. She bout play like a plan B, she lit like a candle. Booted up in the car seat, hold a nigga for ransom. Want her back, better call me. It's whatever, I'm geek. Bound to punch at the party. You niggas ain't fly, this shit looking dummy. I'll probably get fried, I look like a mummy. I'm getting this cash, it's Monday to Sunday. I guess you won't talk if it ain't about the money. My boys in the trap and they jump like a bunny. Got pounds and pills, it ain't nothing funny. Up on the side and I keep the bitch coming. If I gotta reach up, I'ma keep that bitch dumb. Way I slide in that cool boy, I keep that bitch hum. We done went right that bitch all the way to the sun. Get deep in the pot, get deep like a plumber. Why would I keep her? I never went lunder. I just went for the engage to my brother. Eat her for dinner, oh, eat her for supper. Why would you keep a little nigga, you sucker? Why would you keep a little nigga, you sucker? Ride the hallway, ride the bus. Walk my house, look like I'm in plus. Walk in the strip, she gon' make it buzz. I do damage, and they can't stand it. Psycho bandit, like it's Marilyn Manson. Got the cash advancing, get the Sprite and enhance it. Pull the walk out the pantry. You niggas ain't fly, this shit looking dummy. I'll probably get fried, I look like a mummy. I'm getting this cash, it's Monday to Sunday. I guess you won't talk if it ain't about the money. My boys in the trap and they jump like a bunny. Got pounds and pills, it ain't nothing funny. Up on the side and I keep the bitch coming. If I gotta reach up, I'ma keep that bitch dumb. But a little bitch got a teeny, huh? Been on that boy like a BB, huh? I remember wish you won't see me, huh? Push it on the white like seaweed, huh? White little nigga won't beat me, huh? 4-5 when I'm creeping, huh? Try by shooting the genie, huh? Fuck is you saying I'm geeking, huh?
We geeked up. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Y'all can hear me. I'm loud and clear, all up in your ear. Pause. Welcome back to the show, everybody. It is Dynamite_41. Everything I say on this stream, late night, 1:24 a.m. Central Time to be exact, is not financial advice. Nothing I say is financial advice. We're just going to have to go with this at the beginning of every single video, just so I could let y'all know that I'm not a financial advisor. I am a regular dude out here on these city streets making a living, trying to buy another GameStop share any way that he can. Whether it's working his job, selling a pair of shoes that he doesn't wear anymore, selling plasma, did that back in the day to make money, or just doing anything to buy at least a share a day. That's just how I play the game. I'm playing it for the long term. I feel like that strategy has helped me come a long way, and it may be a slow race. I might be the slow one in the race, the turtle, going against all these jackrabbits. But keep in mind, I'm not going to get injured like these jackrabbits trying to get to the finish line, because at the end of the day, we still got the same 24. Of course, anything could stop at any given moment. But I don't mean to get too deep. This is a GameStop stream, y'all. Let me go ahead and get back to this. But like I said, not financial advice, y'all. Miss y'all every single day. Y'all know I'm always thinking about GameStop. And I'm always thinking about y'all. And I'm always thinking about my cats, my family, my friends, the people close by me, my best friends, all that good stuff. In the name of God. Amen. But here we are at $24.58. I absolutely love this buying opportunity, especially for anyone who has the liquid to do so. I myself bought at all the levels. I bought in the 10s, 15s, 20s, 30s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and up. We've all bought at these levels. But I've been averaging down, and just like the rest of us, we've been averaging down basically for the past 4 years. And it's continuing to happen for this company that everyone likes to shit on called GameStop. This is the company that people like myself, or someone that inspired me, Marantz, or Carter's Corner Pocket, or Be More Invest, Tetron, all of us talk about it. Because we have faith in the growth of the company. Actually, we don't have faith in it. We see the growth in the company. We have faith in our CEO because he's competent. He doesn't seem like the bad guy like they try to paint him out to be. And I just think he has GameStop on the right track. And the fact that they've closed down more stores is larger profit margins for GameStop. But also that's more money in their pocket. Now, how exactly are they going to allocate all of this money is what everyone is asking, what everyone is questioning in the world of Reddit, Twitter. I don't really get on that stuff as much as I used to, hence why I haven't really streamed as much. I'm trying to be better about it. I really, truly do want to go live every single day of my life. You guys don't even know. But life kicks me in the ass sometimes, and I'm trying to get a couple things adjusted in my own personal life, work-wise, relationship-wise, friend-wise, family-wise, my cats. I mean, my goodness. When it comes to a job, I'm good on myself. I just worry if I lose my home, my cats are going to have a place to stay. I care about them more about me. So as long as they got a roof over their head and they got trees to climb, indoors, of course, and toys to play with and snacks to munch on, that makes me happy because those are my children. Let me look at the chat really quick before I start talking about GameStop. I'm losing tracks. Ricky B. Loco, thank you for coming by. I know it's a little late. It's all good. For anyone who is stopping by to say what's up tonight or early this morning, thank you for stopping by. Do something strange for the change. Do something strange for some change. That's right. Hey, nothing sus or anything, but if I give me some more GameStop shares, who knows? Pause. Anywho, let's talk about GameStop, y'all. So, back to what I was circling at. I think it's a great buying opportunity. Do I plan on buying shares tomorrow? Absolutely, yes. I've been basically buying shares. Not as much as I used to. I've been keeping it still at least one share a day, but I would go on my crazy bulk buys and buy like 10 in one day, 20 in one day at times too. Like, it was crazy, but life tends to life at any given moment. Like, for example, I had a couple of issues with my car and I had to get like a tire replaced, and you know how much that costs, a lot. But you know what else sucks? I had to match it up with the rest of the tires, so I had to replace all the tires. That set me back a little bit. And then also, I'm trying to figure out like things as far as like my future goes as to where my job is going to pivot towards. So it's a lot of things going on. But y'all, this price action of it going down with all of the midst of everything that's going on in my personal life, whether it feels like it's a temporary downward like ramp that I'm going on, this price action is not phasing me. It's inclining me to buy more because I still have my confirmation bias about this company, one of the largest gaming retailers, GameStop, run by Ryan Cohen, who, by the way, has a $0 salary and has managed to grow almost $5 billion. We're basically going to be at $5 billion by the time we get our quarter four results, plus for the whole year results of 2024, which are projected to come out on, or projected to be announced on March the 24th. So that's a projection date. Now, of course, that can change. Ryan Cohen can come out of the woodworks and say something else and be like, hey, earnings report on the 8th of March. But, we're going to stick with the 24th of March as the earnings report. And I'm looking forward to it. We're going to be keeping a track of it. More than likely, in my opinion, of course, how earnings always goes, the price goes up leading into earnings, and then we beat Wall Street expectations, which, by the way, I feel so good about us beating Wall Street expectations. One, GameStop and the retail sector as a whole makes all of their money quarter four because that's the holidays. That's around Thanksgiving. That's around Christmas time. They have all the promotions going on. So that's where they make most of their money. GameStop, the biggest retailer as far as gaming goes in the entire world. But now we're closing down stores. We're putting more of our presence online out there for everyone to put purchases in. You ever heard of Best Egg or New Egg? One of those two, where you could buy electronics online. You could put GameStop in that category too. But GameStop's on a different level. We also deal with PSA graded cards, sports cards, and they grade them as well too. But we also have our own line of controllers or accessories, batteries even as well too. So the fact that we in-house have our own products, we in theory make more profit. And if we scale it on a higher level than what it is now, it's actually maintainable with where we're at now. But if it scales somehow much further than what it is, which a lot of us believe will happen, because in my opinion it is going to happen, we're all good. And what they try to allocate with this $5 billion that they've managed to raise over the past couple of years, not entirely too sure what they're going to do with it, but I'm going to support any decision that the board of directors and Ryan Cohen make when it comes to growing that money. Whether it's, everyone's coming up with their theories. I don't want to say anything crazy. I know there's people out there saying, oh, Ryan Cohen's going to dump it all on Bitcoin, all the $5 billion. Maybe he's already done it by this point, but just hasn't disclosed it. You don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. I have not been diving too much lately. I've been more in my personal life lately, hence why I haven't been really online that much. But people are making their, their theories. So who knows what's going to happen next? All I know is I'm supporting. I'm very supportive of what is yet to come. And I'm not supportive of no fuck shit. Let's just keep it real. And fuck shit AMC is a great example of fuck shit. If you don't know about Adam Aaron or what he's done to build his own wealth, to feed his own big, fat, disgusting, wrinkly ass pockets, go check his track record. That's all. But yeah, I'm very confident in this investment. And regardless of what the price action's at, that doesn't mean I'm away. I'm going to still be on YouTube. I'm still going to be here. It might not be every day. I know I said that last video, but I try to make time for it. It gets exhausting when there's other stuff that you have planned in life. But let's look at the technicals real quick now that we're here. So might have to update it, might not. I have not touched my technical analysis at all since the dawn of time, actually since a couple weeks ago, and this is where we're at. So it looks like we broke below my upward trend line that I have within this entire wedge on the daily chart for GameStop, and this is tracking back as far as 2023 all the way back here, but anything can change. So let's look at it on the weekly chart. I like to look at it on the macro scale, preferably. As an investor, I am in this for the long haul. And as you can see right here, it looks like we're still in the wedge, still holding in strong. Of course, this might need to be adjusted, or it might not need to be adjusted. But in my opinion, we might just need to just do that. Or we can just do this. So let's see. March, let's go, let's use dates, all right? So March the 24th. Or 25th, whenever we're supposed to have the earnings for GameStop. Let's go ahead and say that we're going to start bouncing towards the end of month of February. So let's say once we get to this point right here, we're going to stay above. We're definitely, in my opinion, of course, y'all, this is just technical analysis. This shit is calculated bets, which is why I don't do day trades. But anything could go south. But in my opinion, I don't see the price action going below $22. And that's just me being bullish AF on GameStop. Did I say AF? Yes, I sure did. Because I'm for real about it. And I just think it's going to stay within this wedge and break to the upside. In my opinion, leading into the year, towards the end of the year, I feel like by the end of this year, we'll definitely be like above. I mean, in my opinion, of course, we're definitely going to double up by the end of this year, at above $50 for sure, in my opinion. Don't use it as something to buy calls with, y'all. I've been buying shares of GameStop for quite some time now, but I just feel that's where the price action is going to go. I feel like that's the direction of where the sentiment of the overall market is going, but also for GameStop too. I know things are getting expensive. People aren't spending as much money, but I don't really believe that to be the truth. I think people are still spending money. There's just people don't have as much money because shit is so expensive. They can't buy everything that they want. So that's why people are claiming that people aren't spending as much. Yes, in theory, people aren't spending much to save up money. But at the end of the day, stuff is way more expensive. So I don't really know what to tell people. But anywho, Sam wants to say hi before I get out of here. He's right here. I don't know why my camera is laggy now all of a sudden. Like, not laggy, but it looks kind of like cheap. Like, I guess I'm due to upgrade my camera. I mean, you can still see me. You can still see me, right? Like, you see me, right? We're all right. Whoever's here online late, I appreciate you being here. Seriously. Don't know where I would be without y'all. I would probably be broke if I wasn't surrounded by anyone that is a GameStop investor, basically. I support both. I'm not talking about y'all, because I don't support both. I absolutely despise AMC. But I'm talking about the ones that are all GameStop. Y'all help me grow my account, and I will be forever grateful. And I will give all of my time away on YouTube to make sure the message gets out there. And that's that. Anyways, that's it. I appreciate y'all being here. I'm going to end the show off with some fire. Y'all already got a glimpse of it, but here we are. GameStop, can't stop, won't stop. I'm using your tagline for tonight, Marantz. Peace out, everyone.
If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. This a bop, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
This world
If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody's no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see you win, wanna see
if this world were
it go
mine.
in, out, door, slow. Maybe you would stop, strike, close, and I'm with you. Everything goes. Come and put that on my soul. Bobby, clown, wrist, froze, check down on the way home. This world, concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody's no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see you win, wanna see.
If this world were
I
mine.
can't lie, I trust you, I love you. I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you. I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.